I believe image searches has changed its behavior. I'll have to dive deep on it, and we'll have one particular session only for image searches. But otherwise, to answer your question of getting the results of those LinkedIn profiles which has been uploaded in the personal profiles, that data gets and hide in a slide share, and maybe from all resumes we are getting that. And here we can see the entire string is acceptable.
Sure.
8.12.
Sure, Shubha. I think that then that other part we can definitely
Yes.
capture in the next sessions.
Yeah.
So I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Yeah, but it is not related to this. It is very much related to the images part. Actually, the other day I was just searching on YouTube something related to X-ray search, and I just stumbled upon this idea. So, can you just take any simple profile? I just wanted to ask this question if that is working on your screen, because I tried in my desktop. I'm not able to find it out.
You can please share your screen and let me see.
Okay, 1 second.
So it's basically we need to keep on understanding the behavior of Google search, a pattern of URLs, a pattern of text, a pattern of titles, and based on that we are
So,
modifying our
I'm not able
strings.
to. I'm not able to share my screen.
Okay, let me enable the access. Yeah, please share now.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So, 1 second.
See, X-ray is not only the site. X-ray is complete web. We're trying to X-ray. So we use in URL or site. It's X-ray.
Okay. So, sir, this was what you told us to do for the workshop, but I'll just take some simple profile. Let's say, if I want, and if I want something like this, now I do have these profiles, but the other day what I came across was a small hack. Like if I just click on images, okay, I can't use this word. Not
That's what
sure what
images
I said.
behavior has changed. This is a recent observation. Today itself I observed. That's the reason I have to dive deep and come back. You see
Okay.
something else also. Otherwise images should come. Okay,
Sorry?
now you do actually images should come for this result, but images are not coming. Not sure why. But open up a new tab, copy paste the same string.
Okay, sir.
Let's do some
Should I just
additional
go for
research.
like even basic search? Let me try with even basic search.
No, just copy paste the same string. Remove in URL part and in title part. Just type linkedin.com/in.
Just a second, just a second.
Remove only in URL.
Okay, you want me to remove in URL?
In URL and in title you remove because maybe Google has changed its behavior and it's not taking while doing the image search as in URL and in title operators. Just remove that
Should I
in URL.
also remove the whole LinkedIn URL aspect?
No, only remove in title and in URL. Only remove that operators.
Okay, cool.
That double quote also you remove. That also you remove. Same. Okay. Network security engineer, you kept it as it is. LinkedIn.com. You just type LinkedIn.com. Remove everything and type only LinkedIn.com/in. नहीं वो पूरा निकाल दो, RL है, URL वगैरह, remove that everything, go back completely clear of just linkedin.com /in space network security engineer and then Mumbai. Now search.
Hi Shiv Kumar, I just did the same search. I can see the images on my laptop.
You can see images now, right? Now you search. LinkedIn.com simple network security engineer. Oops. Mumbai. Page not found. Okay, remove /in. Maybe on your mobile, so that's reason also. In title you have removed, /in also you remove.
Okay.
Space, in URL, everything you remove. Search.
Is this fine?
And capital.
Oh, so sorry.
You're not robot proof.
Yeah.
Now click on images.
Here.
Now here. Now no. After now HD product color label. That part you scroll. What all options it's giving. Somewhere it should give face also. GIF is one option. Label, product, color, label for resource. Scroll. Is it more scrollable?
Only those many options are available. I think this is because of the mobile version. I'm not very sure.
Maybe.
Can someone just try the same thing on their desktop?
Aditya, you were telling something. You have run the same search. Can you please share your screen?
Yeah, I'll share. So, okay. So this is the search, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just a second. Okay. So images, when I'm saying I can see images of the people.
See, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I wanted to ask, when you click on the tools part, can you just click there? First click
images,
on images.
Images, then tools.
Okay.
Then
now tools.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Size, and color, type.
Yeah. So here, when I just cross-checked what they were showing in the webinar, the lady could actually access a face type. And I think
that feature has gone. No, that feature has gone. Webinar also, which you have seen, that was a year-long webinar. But now that face search has gone.
Okay.
That used to be called a face search. That's where I was coming from actually. But it's not given. But some people told that face search is back. But still I'm not able to see. Click on GIF.
Actually.
What is face search?
Very helpful feature.
Shiva, what is face search? Is it like we can actually pinpoint any particular search or like any particular person or something?
No. Yeah, now the type. Now GIF is there na. Just click on drop down. Any type. So here we have a types of results. Okay. So face search was like, it used to capture only a human being face. So that is more obvious. We are getting the results of only individual profiles. not additional PDF or project presentations or anything.
Okay.
Okay, it's not for targeting a particular person, but when I give in generic face search, then Google will target all individual profiles. Though it could be a LinkedIn. Here we have used linkedin.com. Maybe we can use additional sites also. Okay, now you remove site linkedin.com, just put in URL. What we'll go with? Profile. Okay, so it's not understanding in URL pattern while we do
So,
a image search.
mhm. Mhm. So anyway, but we don't need to do in URL when we are actually X-raying
X-raying
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn itself. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but what Aishwarya or Sinchana, who was that about a face search who was discussing?
That was me, Aishwarya.
Aishwarya, yeah. What she was discussing about, there was one thing called face search, which used to be a very effective tool earlier. A lot of recruiters has used it very effectively, but now it has gone.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, so it has been a good workshop. So additionally, we'll explore in our next session about a GitHub and Stack Overflow, which I thought of exploring. But otherwise, we still have a learning today. One is on a workshop, and the other is on year of experience or the pin code. How exactly, even a height also. If you wanted to see some of the results, like between inches, something like. Okay, let me just share my screen once.
I mean, the two dots are
Two
nothing
dots
but
are,
just
yes,
for
number
the
range.
range.
Number range.
Mm.
It could be height, it could be weight, it could be
Mm.
location, it could be pin code, it could be year of experience. We just need to understand, means think through and understand how this particular uh, two numbers can come.
Mhm. Okay.
Like 5 dot dot 10 inches. Okay, 10 inches, 7 inches, 6 inches, 10 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, 5 inches. So like that. So it's just the number range search. So that's how we go for a year of experience. In case if we want 5 to 10, star, EXP, again star, close with the quotes, and that's how the results would be. It's giving something else when I'm giving a raw search, but when we target some particular site or something, then it would come. But here also, if you say 6 years, 7 years, or anything like that. Dot dot we explored. What else we explored?
Slideshare.net.
Slideshare.net.
Mm.
Means what he was trying to tell, trying to capture the results of linkedin.com/in resume star. What is it? How to pause a resume?
LinkedIn.com.
LinkedIn. Like Biswajit, you yourself shown about one of the document where it is hiding. So those, they get and go and stay in a slide share. So that's where we X-rayed a slide share. So we just wanted to know where the particular format or the particular document is hiding. And then it will be easier for us. Okay. Good enough?
Okay. Yeah. So just one thing before we end, can you just suggest which data scraping tool you use, free data scraping tool?
That is Dataminer-IO. This one, Data-Miner. So it's an amazing tool. It will give us to scrape 500 pages per month. Don't reach
So does
500
it
pages.
so does it support on Meetup, this data miner?
Meetup. Okay, wait. This you are aware, right? I've created number of custom search engines and consolidated over here. If you want to search on a LinkedIn or HackerEarth, HackerRank, GitHub, Superuser, Stack Exchange, Behance, or when you're searching for mobile developers like Android developer, directly we search on a Play Store. People who would have developed the apps and published on a Play Store. Maybe a startup individuals, but could not do well in their startup ideas. Server fault, Visual CV. So these are all the sites which can be X-rayed. Whatever you see here, these are all the sites which can be X-rayed. And there are n number of more sites also. Behance for designer. And also additional filters in a backend. Like you were asking, Java. Bengaluru. Okay, here you get experience. These are the additional filters. So there will be a separate session how to create these custom search engines, so that as you asked Biswajit, how will I get this experience stuff? Okay, once we go to that extent level, how to create this experience or something like that, you yourself will be able to create some of the custom search engines which are always required for you, means the kind of a relevant results what you're always looking out for. Here we have a people with their mobile number in the profile.
So can we scrap this data, this page?
We can. Who are looking for job, who are open for new opportunities, seeking currently, looking for change, looking for opportunity, looking for opportunity, looking for change, looking for opportunity. We just have to create a recipe. So this is what, I don't know. Bangalore. So visual CV resumes from Bangalore. I did not even give the skills. After giving the skills, we can refine. These are all the apps hosted in a Play Store. If I go to their apps, if I go to City Maps, then you would see how many number of installs, like 48 installs, what's the rating, and then their email IDs over here. Used car in Bangalore, personal email ID, 3.5 installs, 1 lakh plus installs. So these are the individual developers who just develop some app all by themselves and host it. And if it is popular app like Cars24 or Swiggy or something, you definitely know. Those are the kind of a startup now which has got the funding, but these are the kind of a startups which has not got the funding yet. An excellent mobile developers, an excellent Android developers. Okay, and you were asking me about Meetup, right? Let me come to Meetup. Search on Meetup. This is the URL pattern of it. Bangalore. Oh, sales. You can scrape these data. Okay, but if you're asking me a kind of a data,
Let's suppose, okay.
tell me.
Okay, so let's go on a Meetup page, web
Directly
page.
on a Meetup, yeah. You can scrape any data. It's just that you'll have to create a recipe like that. So one is that we are X-raying a Meetup data and we can scrape this. And the second is, as I was telling, within the particular site itself, if we go, like LinkedIn gives me the results like this, because this data is structured. If you heard about structured data, SQL and NoSQL. SQL, SQL, structure query language, which is used for structured data, but NoSQL, a data which is not structured. That is where we use to get the data from a very complex data, like WhatsApp chat, which is not structured, which is very complex. The scalability is large. Or Facebook chat, which is not structured, which is very complex. So that is not structured data. That is where I use a NoSQL.
Okay.
So in case in LinkedIn, Meetup, start a group, where is a login? Yeah.
I mean, we can just do a simple X-ray on Meetup. So just a simple X-ray. Can we do?
Yeah, this is a simple X-ray. Site Meetup,
So
/,
sitemeetup.com.
/
Okay.
members, Bangalore.
In URL members, right?
We can use like this also, / members also we can use. Or we can also use in URL members.
Bangalore and Java. Okay,
We can
sales.
use this Bangalore or Java.
Okay, then we will.
So we have this data. But now if you see, now we have members, we have groups now. These are all the groups now. Now we go to one particular group.
Okay, so we will go to.
Okay, we'll just see this. Bangalore AI
See,
ML
this
group.
is there, right? 6951 people.
Okay, 8,000 members. Now we go to see all.
Okay. So can we scrap this data?
Unless it is accessible, we can. Okay, now if you see this is accessible, we can.
So with data miner, that tool we can scrap, because I used to use instant scrapper. So it doesn't work.
Let's try. I have not created a recipe, but let's try in a second. I'll have to minimize it first. Okay, so these data you're asking me to scrap, right? And let me see the pattern of it. It's still coming. Okay, so here I see the behavior of the data is visible as a scroll down, but there is no behavior of 10 results per page, then go next. Then 10 results per page, then go next. That's not the behavior over here. So I just need to keep on scrolling down unless that entire 8,000 members are visible. for
Okay, so
what I do.
that will take a long time. Yeah.
Yeah, that's still fine. We can scroll,
Mm.
not a problem. Okay, first thing what I do, and then now we create a recipe find. So we wanted a
Okay.
data. Now the web page is a set of data table. That is where if we source of profiles for web-based organization like Amazon, Flipkart, or Uber or anything, they ask
Mm.
us strong in data structures, because this kind of a companies needs a lot of sorting and storing of a data from SQL to NoSQL. The data was complex. So now if you see, the entire page is structured
Mm.
of various data sets and the data tables. This one
Mm-hmm.
data set, this one, then these are the small data tables, and
Mm-hmm.
somewhere these are connected in a backend with a huge database.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now I scrape this one particular table. I wanted to go from here. Yes, okay, this entire table. Then I put shift, member list card. Then we say confirm. Then now we add columns. Column 1, I say I need name. Okay, it is a URL also. So first I'll take name as a text, find, and then again shift. It has taken. So let me see in case if it is selecting all the names. Yes, it has selected all the names. Then I say confirm. Then again I add new column. Then now we say name URL or profile URL, and we say fetch in as a URL. We click on find, then again click on this, shift. Now let me see with flex, no. With flex row, no. With flex, yes. I just take this confirm, then joined on. If I need, I'll take additional. Joined on, find, shift, span. Okay, now I do not have any other additional pattern. That is where I just use this top row. Okay, it's coming here, but it's taking only one pattern. Untick. So I wanted to see in case if you can take everything, but let's stop it. It's going to run out of time. So I'll not take this element. Okay. So navigation not required. Navigation is required when we have an option to go to the next page. But here we do not have an option to go to the next page.
Mm-hmm.
And navigation not required, action not required, JS not required. I'll say save as meetup. Save. Recipe saved. Run recipe. And the benefit of such kind of a pages is it scrapes the data in one page itself. So now
Yeah.
I have it over here. So I'll close this. I'll again, because I'm not wasting my this thing, what we say. I'll go and I'll edit. There were 3 columns. Name, text, joined on, I'll remove. I'll take it till here. Because I have a limit of 500 pages per month. But if this page is giving me 8,000 results in one page only, scrapers will count is still at the one page itself. Now I'll say
Okay.
new.
So this is a free tool or
It's a free
paid
tool.
one?
Till 500 pages, it's free. So we have here Let's say again rerun. Let me go back and edit. It has scraped the first result. Edit. List page, row. It was correct row. Columns, text bold, URL. Okay, this part also I don't want. So I'll again say find, shift. One is text bold. I'll take this one. Then now confirm. It's kind of a bit time taking, but once we created the right recipe with the right tables and right data sets, we should be good. It's still taking a first page, or maybe I'll have to log in to scrape the entire data.
Okay, I will try today, and if I need help tomorrow, I'll ask you again.
Yeah, sure. And once I click on download as an Excel or CSV, I just get this.
Yeah.
If you say like earlier, I've scraped a lot of data minor. Chennai source and Chennai Java GitHub. From GitHub and all, I keep on scraping the data.
Oh.
If I see this one. So like this data, you'll be able to scrape. So
Okay.
it comes in a name and a profile URL and the email and the title, whatever the data is available on net. So in case if I take this page, so I just got his name and a profile URL because we have only scraped that part of it.
Okay.
So you'll have to log in, I believe, and then you can scrape that data. One is like copy.
Okay.
Just see in case copy paste is giving you the results. It is giving me the results, so not require of a data miner. It is giving me the name and it is giving me the URL form also. Okay, so it's giving me the name and it's giving me the URL form as well. So first try to simplify in case if with the copy paste itself we can do it, let's do it with copy paste. But if you need a proper this thing, which is not possible by copy paste, then we'll not go with the copy paste, we'll create a recipe.
Okay.
So this is with the copy paste, it is possible. So even sites, some sites, they might try to hide the data, but might not. So we have to keep on trying the various possible option. So still we are not doing anything wrong. It's just the ethical hacking.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Any other questions, guys?
No, Shiva, I think we are good for today.
You're good for today? Yep. Good to see the increasing interest. And yeah, I believe like we are definitely exploring every day some of the other new things. So let's keep the sessions as or as without agendas. So this is something good where we learn everyone live. Because if agenda is one place, then we stick to that and it goes in a monotonous process. We would not be able to share our knowledge or discuss actual real-time problems.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, but this is where we just take an agenda of one or two things that this is what we are going to explore. And while exploring that, additional things, whatever the question comes up, we try to solve that and we'll explore those. I believe means you tell me your feedback. Will this be the right option, or do you want me to come up with a proper agenda, proper notes, and say A for apple and B for bat?
I think
Shiva, I think that we are from the Indian side, so we require both the part. So
Yeah.
there should be something as a structure, and then when we are keep on going, at least we know that yes, these are the things that we are completing and all. So otherwise, we will be just keep on hovering here and there, just like today.
Yeah. So agenda of 1 or 2 liner is our nothing but a structured data set. And while solving the problem, we go for a unstructured data sets. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Thank you, Shiva. Good
We'll
night.
connect back tomorrow at same time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good
Bye.
night.